Good evening. This is Eric Conti, Superintendent of Schools. This is our weekly update for December 10th. So we're going to start with COVID. We've had 25 cases confirmed this week and have conducted about 450 tests as part of our Test and Stay program. 13 of the positive cases were at Francis Wyman, 2 at Pine Glen, 1 at Memorial, 1 at Fox Hill, 6 at the middle school, and 2 at Burlington High School. Like most of you, we are following all of the information we can on the Omicron variant. We will continue to work closely with the Burlington Board of Health if we need to make changes to our current mitigation practices. As a reminder, we are not limiting the number of spectators at winter sporting or performing arts events. We are requiring that all spectators, athletes, and performers be masked. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. In a conversation with the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, the state will be updating their COVID guidance in regards to masks in early January. The current requirement is through January 15th. There are currently about 20 districts that have applied for an exemption to the mask requirement. These districts are being observed closely. The state will provide information on the impact of removing masks in the coming weeks. Before even considering requesting relief from the mask requirement, however, we need to have at least 80% of our student population fully vaccinated, which may include a booster in the coming days. Currently, our student vaccination rates are as follows. In the age group from 5 to 11, we have 14%. In the age group 12 to 15, we're at 70%. And at the age group 16 to 19, we are at 78%. So in other words, although close, at the high school, we have not yet met the state's threshold of 80% to even apply for the relief from the mask requirement. If the booster is added to this requirement, then we will need to wait until we hit the 80% threshold with the third shot. Dollars for scholars. Since 1998, the Burlington Community Scholarship Foundation has been awarding college scholarships to Burlington's graduating high school seniors and adults seeking higher education. The board is looking for some new faces and fresh ideas to join the organization and help take fundraising to another level. All residents are welcome. If you are interested in joining the BCSF or to volunteer and get involved in the Adopt a Class program, please contact Jack Farron at jfarron@bcsfds.org. Again, that's jfarron, F-E-R-R-E-N, at bcsfds.org for more information. Let's make a difference and raise some dollars for scholars. Have a great weekend.